In primetime news this evening, bloody start. Murders rock several communities 4 days into the new year. Blitz pay. Nurses upset as compensation for work at vaccine sites is still outstanding. And later, flu-rona. Simultaneous flu and COVID-19 infections worrying healthcare experts.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. And there's also the feedback question. This evening we're asking, in light of the current COVID-19 spike, do you believe the government should reimpose tighter measures to contain the spread? Give reasons for your answer. And you can give those answers on facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.